What's up guys, it's AF Garage. Today is a bit of a shorter video. I'm detailing a new project for the channel. So as it happens, a couple weeks ago I was browsing my local Facebook marketplace, Craigslist, that sort of thing, and I happened across a bit of a gem on Craigslist. So I contacted the owner, and it took him like a week to get back to me. We talked, we communicated, we texted. I drove out about half an hour to see what it was, and so I brought it home. I got a really great deal on it. There's one major issue with the car, and we're going to detail all that in the next couple minutes, so stay tuned. So the new project is based on a platform that I'm all too familiar with. It's a platform, however, that I love, and I've owned quite a few cars from this platform, and I'm really excited to show you guys, and we have a lot of really cool, super cool tutorials and in-depth content coming out on it, so you guys should stay tuned to check that stuff out. And, well, here's the new car. That's pretty cool, isn't it? It's a 2005 Outback XT, so yeah, that means turbo. I picked it up for $1,200 a couple weeks ago, and it's been sitting in my driveway. I've been piddling around, doing a couple things, cleaning it up. It's had been sitting for months, so it's fairly neglected. And you're like, I can hear you now. How'd you get a car like that in that condition for so cheap? Well, the turbo is bad. And I drove it home without the turbo. And we're about to do a further teardown of the turbo and the intercooling system and all that to figure out what really went wrong. But as far as we can guess, it was oil starvation. So it's definitely a bit of a saving it project. We're rescuing it, bringing it back from the dead, and I'm really excited to be doing this project. And it's a great learning opportunity for me and my co-host and everyone watching. So there'll be a couple videos on turbo and such, and I really think that this is going to be a great car for the channel, and I'm really excited to get into it. I hope you guys are as well. Alright, so what are the build plans for this Outback? Well, of course the turbo needs to be replaced, and so when that's happening, we're going to be doing a catless Infinita downpipe and a catless uppipe from Nameless Performance, as well as we have a low mileage VF40 off of a wrecked Outback that we're going to put on there so that the car can drive normally again. And over here are all the gaskets and the adapter for the downpipe. And so it'll be a simple build, just like I said, exhaust and the turbo for now. And depending on how much we fall in love with the car, which I already love it, of course, there may be more mods down the pipeline, but that's the initial plan. And of course, there'll be videos on all of that. So if this build sounds fun, it's not really a build, but if this project sounds fun, if this project sounds like something you might want to watch because, well, you know, you own a 2005 Subaru, so that means the turbo probably went out on yours too, then these videos are going to be for you. And we would really appreciate if you guys would stick around, check out all the videos, maybe stop by, learn a few things, leave a comment, subscribe if you want more content, especially on turbo Subarus and turbo Japanese cars in general, because we do love our forced induction Japanese cars, but I mean, NA is fine too, you know. But if that sounds fun, if that kind of stuff you might need to learn about or understand better, then you might want to consider subscribing, like the videos, you know, comment, tell us what we need to do on the cars, let us know. I really appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. AF Garage out.